Let's we start with the chapter number 4, reproductive health. Look, this chapter initially many points are that only essay type, but this is not essay that we understand by our uh, linguistic essay. This is a scientific essay, and from these many questions are asked because this is completely scientifically understandable concepts. So be careful about it, and wherever I tell you that underline this, put a question mark, highlight it, just immediately you uh, pause that video and underline and put everything whatever notation is there. Okay, so we start with the chapter number 4 on the page number 57, reproductive health. You have learned about the human reproductive system, which is in functioning chapter number 3, that we have studied in chapter number 3, male and female human reproductive system, their organs, their parts, etc. Now let's discuss the closely related topic, reproductive health. Highlight reproductive health. What do we understand by this term continuously? There are different explanation of this word. The term simply refers to healthy reproductive organs with normal function. Highlight this. This is the one simplest explanation from where the term simply means this term, this reproductive health. The reproductive health simply refers to the healthy reproductive organs and normal functions. However, it is a broader perspective. It includes emotional and social aspects of reproduction also. Emotional and social. Highlight number 1, emotional, number 2, social. Emotional. Emotionally, every parents are related with their child. Every brother, sister, these are also related emotionally in contact. Emotionally, they have the some behavior and that all thing with their brother and sister. That is all the emotions, as well as social. The broader is the emotional and social aspect. Social aspects. When you go to the school, you go to the market, there are some males, there are the female. Behavior in society, that is also most important. The social aspects. According to the World Health Organization, this is the second explanation. Look, that was the first from where the term simply वहाँ से start करके reproduction also ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक और यहाँ से according to the World Health Organization WHO यहाँ से second आएगा. तो वो जो फर्स्ट है वो भी आ सकता है एग्जाम में और सेकंड है वो भी आ सकता है और they may ask give the complete explanation of the reproductive health दोनों लिखना आएगा. चलो हु का देखते हैं. हु ने क्या एक्सप्लेन किया है. reproductive health means total well-being in all aspects of the reproduction. All the aspects of the reproduction. What are they? That is the physical. Physically one should be strong enough. Emotional, उसे इमोशनल पे उसको कंट्रोल होना चाहिए. बिहेवियर, उसका बिहेवियर ऐसा होना चाहिए. एंड सोशल, सोशली भी वही होना चाहिए. Therefore, a society with the people having the physically and functionally normal reproductive organs and normal emotional and behavioral interaction among them in all sex-related aspects might be called reproductive health. All these aspects should be healthy. उसका इमोशनल, उसका सोशल, उसका थिंकिंग, उसका बिहेवियर, health, and why this is significant to maintain the reproductive health and what are the methods taken up to achieve this. Let's examine it.